Okay, so I have this pump that I bought from Harbor Freight, and I've used it a number of times, and as long as you don't run it for too long, it seems to do well. But every once in a while, you got to run it for a long time, and then it just stops. And I'm thinking it's the switch. I took the switch apart, and the connections to the switch are just splice connections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip these wires out and solder it directly to the switch. And I'm going to see if that doesn't fix the problem. You're only supposed to run this 15 minutes at a time, but I mean, I don't run it for that long even, and it shuts down. So I'm going to see if soldering these wires onto the switch directly fixes it, and I will follow up with this video. Okay, so you can see what I did here. I took away the plastic insulation from the wires a little bit, and I soldered it directly to the metal terminals that was splicing into the wire to eliminate that weak connection. I believe this is going to fix the problem. We'll find out once I get this back together. The question is, can I get this other half of the switch to go on? I don't know. But that's where we are. So, it's working again. That was the problem. That switch just wasn't making good connection. I don't know if there's a thermal fuse in there or anything, but it's working at the moment. Maybe when it heats up, the thermal fuse will open, if it has one. So that's it. That switch was definitely making bad connections, and soldering the wires onto the switch definitely helped.